I was just getting into it. You know, I've really changed how I create lately. My name is J. Thomas Barbeau. If you're a fan of the hit video game EverQuest, you've heard my music and experienced my code. I'm an engineer, composer, guitar player, pianist, yada yada. I have worked for Disney and Sony as developer and composer. Music technology, though, has always been my passion. And this is the Quantar. It's a prototype to the Sonitar. Even though this is a prototype, it works amazingly well as a guitar interface. This early version has special pickups, and I'm working on a revolutionary new design. I'm not going to give away too much technical information, but I'm going to explain exactly why the Sonitar is revolutionary. Now, to reiterate, the Sonitar started as the Quantar, made by a company that was whimsically named Beetle Incorporated. I was on the team that created the Quantar, and we got rave reviews from electronic musicians, NAMM show attenders, and big companies like Roland and Fender. Today, we are making special modifications in the design. Today it's much faster, it's much cheaper, and it's a joy to play. And, wait for it, it's wireless. The Sonitar will play like a fine instrument. Just flip it on, and it automatically connects to your Android, iOS, PC, or Mac. The key to making this really work is in accurately modeling the fretted instrument, capturing all the nuances of a player's gestures. For guitar, in general, that's a pretty hard thing to do. It's much more difficult than modeling a piano, for example, because there are many more performance events to capture. However, at Harmonic Design, we understand this problem very well, and we have been working on it for a long time. We are creating not only the interface, but the tone generators. The tone generators must understand every event the interface generates and respond exactly like a fine instrument does. This is a critical advancement in digital guitar technology, and this is why we invented the Sonitar instrument model. A SImod is a collection of the many sounds a particular instrument can make. Far more events are generated from the Sonitar than from a conventional MIDI interface. And the power of this whole concept is that you already own the tone generator if you own an iPhone, Android, iPad, tablet, PC, or Mac. In fact, you own more than just a tone generator. You own a high-quality recording device, an editor, and a teacher. This gives you unprecedented control over your music, interactively and naturally. The Sonitar generates control signals, transmits them in less than a millisecond, and the smart device generates the sound. The advantages of this over a regular guitar are multiple. 1, you can change instruments on the fly. 2, meticulous sound without setup hassles. 3, it's portable, wireless, casual, studio, or live. 4, future applications will use the Sonitar data for interaction. 5, the design focus is on fretted instrument, but anything is possible. Now, some people ask, why do I want to imitate a guitar? Can't I just play a guitar? This is a very short-sighted question, made by someone who is probably disappointed with poor technology. It's not their fault, really, for asking it. It's just that they haven't played a Sonitar. It's so much more. We are making the future. We know exactly what needs to be done and how to do it. The march of technological advancement has made the Sonitar possible. It's a convergence of technology, and Harmonic Design is ready to seize the opportunity. You can be the benefactors. We live in an information age, and it's a cliche, but the impact is ongoing. Think of how information access and information use has changed your life just in the last 5 years. The information that the Sonitar collects from a player can generate sound, but also it can be used for analysis, for learning, for performance enhancements. Imagine an instrument that plays and sounds like a fine Martin acoustic. A Les Paul. a Stratocaster, a classical guitar, a P-bass, imagine now switching while performing to a different type of guitar with the stroke of a string. 6 different instruments at your command just by plucking a different string. Imagine there are so many possibilities we can't name them all. In fact, we haven't thought of them all. The Sonitar is different than any other fretted instrument. Now here's the deal. We've proven the concept with this prototype